Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set a Spotify song as our alarm on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our Spotify application on our phone and we have to create a new playlist on our Spotify. We can click on your library and click on this plus button, and here we have to select playlist. And I'm going to name my playlist alarm, and then we have to add our favorite song to this alarm playlist. We can click on add to this playlist, and for example, I'm going to add more than one song to this alarm playlist. I'm gonna go with this one and this one as well. Okay, and we have to play one of the song from this alarm playlist. For example, I'm going to play this song because I want to make this song as my alarm on my phone. So this is how it works, guys. We have to play the song from Spotify so it can be our alarm. The song we're playing will be our alarm on our Android phone. And if you want to make the song for your alarm, you have to play the song. And okay, I'm just going to make the song as my alarm. Then we can go to our clock application. This is my clock application and I'm going to open it, and here we have to set alarm. Click on this plus button and I'm just going to pick random time, and here we have to click on alarm sound and we have to select Spotify. Okay, and we have to select the alarm playlist. So this is my alarm playlist. We can click on it. Okay, and now the song that we have played on Spotify will be our alarm on our Android phone. And we just need to save this alarm. Alright guys, and that's how we can set a Spotify song as our alarm on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.